Channel 2 News continues with Chief Meteorologist Mike Alger's Pinpoint 2 forecast, broadcast certified by the American Meteorological Society.
It's not that often when almost no weather at all is the cause of something that is, I guess, considered bad weather. And that's kind of the situation we have right now. Clear skies, light winds, temperatures that are not all that unusual, certainly for this time of year. But you put all that together around here when we're trapped down in a valley, and the air can get trapped down here as well with a strong temperature inversion. You saw it today with our time warp. You just look at this layer right along here and you can see a very, very dense, musky layer right down in the valley here getting trapped. We were significantly colder down here than they were up in the mountains, and that is going to almost always result in a deterioration of our air quality. So we do have some restrictions out there. 33 degrees at the top of the hour now, 47% humidity, only 15-degree dew point, hardly any wind. A south breeze at 6 miles per hour, and 30.13 is our barometer. High today 38, a low of 12 degrees. Again, both of those well below average in terms of all that. We're 7 below average on our high temperature and 12 below on the low. We're not going to be quite as cold over the next few days, but with that possibility of unhealthy air quality out there, the health department has issued a red burn code. So no burning is allowed if you live in any of those affected areas, mostly in and around the Truckee Meadows within Washoe County. All right, so we got a little system up here to the north, not getting close enough to give us any wind, unfortunately. This low continues to move its way across down the eastern side of the southwest, and that's bringing some rain, freezing rain, and even some snow into New Mexico and West Texas. So cold shot over there, but for us it's just a great big ridge of high pressure that sort of planted itself right over the west coast. And with that, really very little movement to it. We're going to start to see these clouds begin to drift down a little bit closer as this low moves on by, and by Sunday we'll probably bring some cloudiness in here. But the storm track itself, the main jet stream, and all of that that could produce some winter storms for us is not going to be coming through our area. So expect dry and, if anything, just warming conditions over the next several days. Now tomorrow we're going to see a lot of places getting into the 40s, and you notice the mountains are going to be every bit as warm, if not warmer, than the valleys. 40s for the most part in the southern half of the state. See some mid to low 40s over here in the west as well. Much colder over there in the east, and Elko is inversion central over there. They're going to be cold. 6 for your low and upper 20s for your highs. Reno tonight, 18 for our low, 45 for our high tomorrow. Same at Carson City, and again up at Lake Tahoe, temperatures are going to be a couple of degrees warmer than what we will experience down here. Tahoe tonight, clear and cold with a low of 13 degrees. Winds will be light. Sunny tomorrow, even a little bit warmer. High of 47 degrees. Winds will be light up there. They'll be light down here, so we do have that red light burn code tonight. Clear and cold with a low of 18 tomorrow. We'll look for sunshine as well. That red light burn code continues with light winds, a high of 45 degrees. Few clouds on Sunday, but really no wind. Nothing that's likely to do much except gradually warm us up as we head on into the first of next week. We'll be looking at temperatures somewhere probably in the 50s by Tuesday and Wednesday.
Pretty nice temperatures heading our way.
It'll certainly feel warmer. You will notice those differences, definitely.
Yeah, we've earned them.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Mike.
You bet.